I'm Priyanka and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathilite. In this video we'll start with exercise 14A from chapter Equation of a Line. So starting with question number 1. Find which of the following points lie on the line x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. There are 6 different points and the coordinates of the points are given. X and y coordinates are given. You have to find out if these points are lying on the line. So, जब find करना है if the points are lying on the line or not, what will you do? Substitute the values of the coordinates in place of x and y respectively. X coordinate 1 है, y coordinate 3 है. Substitute करो, okay, at their respective places and find out if you are getting LHS equal to RHS. If you are getting LHS equal to RHS, then it is satisfying the equation, therefore it is lying on the line. And if it is not, then it is not lying on the line. Okay, so very easy. So let's start with the first point. Uska coordinates hai 1, 3. So first write down the equation of the line is x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Now we'll start with the substitution. So 1, 3 are the coordinates. So substituting x equal to 1 and y equal to 3 in LHS. You are going to make the substitutions in LHS, not in the entire equation. You are not told the point is lying on the line. When you are told that it is lying on the line, then you can substitute in the equation. But if you are supposed to find out, then you will substitute in LHS only. And you have to find out if you are getting LHS equal to RHS or not. Okay? So don't make this mistake. जब find out करना है तब LHS में ही substitute करेंगे. Okay? You will not substitute in the entire equation because it is not satisfying the equation. It might not. Okay? So you have to find out. So find out करना है तब हमेशा LHS में substitute करो. Okay? And if you are getting LHS equal to 0, then it is equal to RHS. RHS 0 है. So let's see if you are getting that. Sorry. So it will be 1 minus 2 into 3 plus 5 हो जाएगा. So 1 plus 5 is 6 and 2 3s are 6. So 6 minus 6 gives 0. So yes, it is equal to RHS. RHS 0 है. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore the point 1, 3 lies on the line x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Okay? You can also write one statement before that, that is it is satisfying the equation. Okay? It would be better. So before this just write down it satisfies the equation. Okay? Now we will move on to the next one. Second point का coordinates है 0, 5. So substituting x equal to 0 and y equal to 5 in LHS. So LHS is x minus 2y plus 5. X has 0 and y is 5 plus 5. So 0 minus 10 plus 5. So 5 minus 10 gives minus 5 plus 0 है. So minus 5 मिल रहा है, that is not equal to RHS. Therefore LHS is not equal to RHS. Hence the point does not satisfy the equation. Therefore, it does not lie on the line. So, write down after this. Therefore, it does not lie on the line and the equation. Okay. And write down the coordinates of the point, it would be better. 0, 5 does not lie on the line x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Next point का coordinates है minus 5, 0. So substituting x equal to minus 5 and y equal to 0 in LHS. So LHS है x minus 2y plus 5. X is minus 5 minus 2 into y is 0 plus 5. Minus 5 plus 5 क्या हो जाएगा? 0. Minus 2 into 0, 0. So 0 मिल रहा है, that is it is equal to RHS. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. The point, that is the coordinates, satisfy the equation. Satisfy the equation. I'm not writing the entire thing. Therefore, minus 5, 0 lies on the line x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Okay. Moving on to next coordinates. 5, 5 है. So substituting x equal to 5 and y equal to 5 in LHS. So what is LHS? LHS is x minus 2y plus 5. X है 5 minus 2 into y is 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 हो जाएगा 10. Minus 2 5s are 10. So we were getting 0. That is, it is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS, and you know what statements to write further. Therefore, the coordinates of the point satisfy the equation. Hence, the point lies on the line. And write down the equation x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Moving on to the next one. Next part of the question, 2, minus 1.5 are the coordinates. So we will substitute x as 2 and y as minus 1.5. So substituting x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 1.5 in the LHS. What is the LHS? X minus 2y plus 5. X है 2 minus 2 into y है minus 1.5. Don't forget the sign, ठीक है? Minus 1.5 है plus 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. And minus into minus gives plus, and 2 into 1.5 is 3. Okay, 2 15s are 30 and एक के बाद decimal point है, so 3.0 हो जाएगा. Okay, 7 plus 3 is 10, so you are not getting it equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. So since it is not equal, therefore the coordinates do not satisfy the equation. Do not satisfy the equation. Therefore, the point does not lie on the line. So after this, you write down. Therefore, the point 2, minus 1.5 does not lie on the line and the equation. Okay. So moving on to the last part of the question. Next coordinates है minus 2, minus 1.5. So we will substitute x as minus 2 and y as minus 1.5. So substituting x equal to minus 2 and y equal to minus 1.5 in the LHS. So LHS is x minus 2y plus 5. X है minus 2 minus 2 into y is minus 1.5. So don't forget to put the signs. Okay, minus है दोनों में. So 5 minus 2 will give 3 and minus into minus plus हो जाएगा. 2 into 1.5 gives 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6, which is not equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Since it is not equal, it is not satisfying the equation, therefore it does not lie on the line x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. So you know the two statements that you have to write down, okay? So don't forget the statements, students, it's very, very important, okay? Next question, question number 2. State true or false. There are 5 parts to this question, starting with the first part. The line x by 2 plus y by 3 equal to 0 passes through the point 2, 3. Statement दिया है and you have to find out if the statement is true or false. So the statement says that this line having this equation is passing through this point. Point having coordinates 2, 3. So एक point है 2, 3 and this line is passing through this point. Okay. So it means that the point is lying on the line. And another way of saying this. So we are told that this point is lying on the line, and if it is lying on the line, then it is going to satisfy the equation. Okay. So let's see if this statement is true or false. Okay. So whenever you are told that a line is passing through the point, it means that the point is lying on the line. Okay. So write down the statement. The line x by 2 plus y by 3 equal to 0 passes through the point 2, 3. So since it is passing through the point will satisfy the equation, therefore 2, 3 will satisfy the equation. So substituting x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 in the equation, because we are told that it is satisfying the equation. Okay, so directly equation में ही substitute कर रहे हैं. Although we need to find out whether it is true or false, but we are directly substituting it in the equation because statement में ही we are told that it is passing through the point. It is given that it is passing through the point. So we substitute in the equation directly. So equation here x by 2 plus y by 3 equal to 0. Therefore 2 by 2 plus 3 by 3, right? X is 2 and y is 3 equal to 0. So we are getting 1 plus 1 equal to 0, that is 2 is equal to 0, which is not possible. Which is not possible. Therefore, the statement is false. Okay? Therefore, the statement is false. Next statement is the line x by 2 plus y by 3 equal to 0 passes through the point 4, minus 6. It is similar to the previous statement. So same way में solve करेंगे. You are told that the line is passing through the point. So if it is passing through the point, it means the point is lying on the line, and if it is lying on the line, it means it is going to satisfy the equation. That is x and y का values हम लोग इसमें substitute कर सकते हैं, and it is going to satisfy the equation. That is, you will get LHS equal to RHS. So let's see if the statement is true or false. So write down the entire thing again. Okay, the line x by 2 plus y by 3 equal to 0 passes through the point 4, minus 6. So therefore 4, minus 6 satisfies the equation. So it is satisfying the equation, therefore we can put the values of x and y coordinates. So substituting x equal to 4 and y equal to minus 6 in the equation. Why are we substituting in the equation directly? Because we are told that it is passing through the point. So we'll substitute it directly. So therefore x by 2 plus y by 3 equal to 0 हो जाएगा x की जगह पे 4 by 2 plus y की जगह पे minus 6 by 3 equal to 0. Therefore 4 twos are, put brackets over here first, 2 twos are 4, sorry, and over here solve the signs first, plus into minus, minus हो जाएगा, so minus, and 6 by 3, so 3 twos are 6, therefore 0 is equal to 0. So we are getting LHS equal to RHS, therefore it is passing through the point. So write down, therefore LHS is equal to RHS, hence the statement is true. Next part, third part of the question, the point 8,7 lies on the line y minus 7 equal to 0. Let's see if this statement is true or false. In statement we are told that this point is lying on the line, and if it is lying on the line it should satisfy the equation. So let's see if it is satisfying the equation or not. So we will substitute in the equation only because we are told that it is lying on the line. So write the entire statement again. The point 8,7 lies on the line y minus 7 equal to 0. So since it is lying on the line, it satisfies the equation. Therefore 8,7 satisfies the equation, right? Therefore we will substitute the values in the equation. But check the equation. You are given y minus 7 equal to 0. X है क्या? नहीं है. So you will substitute only y coordinate. What is the y coordinate? 7. Okay, ये x coordinate है, ये y coordinate है. So y coordinate 7 है. So you will only put y equal to 7 in the equation. So substituting y equal to 7 in the equation. So y minus 7 equal to 0 is the equation. Y 7 here. So 7 minus 7 equal to 0, that is 0 is equal to 0. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore the statement holds true. Okay. Statement number 4. The point minus 3, 0 lies on the line x plus 3 equal to 0. We are told that the point is lying on the line, so it is satisfying the equation. So we can substitute the values of the coordinates in the equation. So let's see if the statement holds true or not. So we will substitute in the equation itself because we are told that the point is lying on the line. So substitute करते हैं. Write down the statement first. The point minus 3, 0 lies on the line x plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore it will satisfy the equation. Therefore minus 3, 0 satisfies the equation. So you can substitute the value of the coordinate in the equation. Equation में कौन सा coordinate substitute कर सकते हैं? X ही कर सकते हैं because there is no y in the equation. So you will substitute only x coordinate. Okay. X coordinate क्या है? X coordinate is minus 3. Okay, and this is y coordinate. So we will substitute minus 3 in place of x. So substituting x equal to minus 3 in the equation. So x plus 3 equal to 0 is the equation. So minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. That is 0 is equal to 0. Therefore we are getting LHS equal to RHS. Therefore the point satisfies the equation. The point full word लिखना है. Okay. The point minus 3, 0 satisfies the equation. Therefore, the statement is true. It's okay even if you don't write this, because we have already written this earlier and we just wanted to verify if a statement is true or not, and we got LHS equal to RHS, so directly ये लिख सकते हैं. Okay. So now moving on to the last part. Fifth statement is, if the point 2, A lies on the line 2x minus y equal to 3, then A is equal to 5. So over here, you are told that the point is lying on the line. Okay, point is lying on the line, and if it is lying on the line, then A का value क्या होगा? A का value 5 होगा. That is what they have told. Now, is A का value 5 or not? That is the main thing. So you need to find out if this is true or false. Okay, so point is lying on the line, but is A equal to 5 or not? That is what you have to find out. So if you substitute the values in the equation, you will find out the value of A. Okay, equation है 2x minus y equal to 3. So x की जगह पे 2 substitute करेंगे and y की जगह पे A, and you just have to solve further. Okay, solve करके you need to find out A का value क्या मिल रहा है. Are you getting 5? So if you are getting 5, the statement is true, and if not, then the statement is false. Okay, so here it is lying on the line. Okay, 100% sure it is lying on the line, but you have to find out A का value true है या नहीं. Okay, so let's see. So we'll directly substitute in the equation only. No LHS, no RHS, nothing. Okay, पूरे equation में substitute करना है. So the point 2, A lies on the line 2x minus y equal to 3. Therefore, 2, A satisfies the equation. So substituting x equal to 2 and y equal to A in the equation में ही substitute करेंगे, because we have to find out the value of A. Okay, so equation है 2x minus y equal to 3, that is 2 into 2 minus A equal to 3. 2 2s are 4, minus A equal to 3. Let's shift A over here and 3 over here. So 4 minus 3 हो जाएगा and A will become positive. So 1 is equal to A, that is switching the sides, A is equal to 1. So A is not equal to 5, therefore the statement is false. So A is not equal to 5, so therefore the statement is false. Okay. Moving on to next question, question number 3. The line given by the equation 2x minus y by 3 equal to 7 passes through the point k, 6. Calculate the value of k. There is a line having this equation and it is passing through the point having coordinates k, 6. So एक point है and उसका coordinates है k, 6, and the line given by this equation is passing through this point. So line is 2x minus y by 3 equal to 7. So it means that the point is lying on the line. है ना? Line passing through the point means point is lying on the line. So if the point is lying on the line, it should satisfy the equation, right? It is supposed to satisfy the equation. So it is given that the line is passing through the point. It is given to you. So you can substitute the values over here. Okay. So x coordinate is k. So in place of x you will substitute k, and in place of y we will substitute 6. Okay. Substitute karke you have to solve and find out the value of k. We have to find out the value of k. So the equation is 2x minus y by 3 equal to 7. Just put the values of x and y coordinates. So 2k minus 6 by 3 is equal to 7. You just have to solve this. Okay. So let's solve and see what is the value of k. We'll always start with the given information first. So we are given that the line passes through the point. So write the statement first. The line is 2x minus y by 3 equal to 7, which is passing through the point. So line is passing हो जाएगा, is passing through the point k comma 6. So it satisfies the equation. So write down after this, therefore k comma 6 satisfies the equation. So whenever you are given one unknown coordinate, okay, यहाँ पे एक coordinate unknown है, k है, okay. So if you are given some other variable in place of k, whenever one unknown है, what you are going to do? You are just going to put the value inside the equation and solve and find out the value of that variable. Okay, so it's very easy. So जब भी हम लोग को दिया हुआ है एक unknown है and it is lying on the line, you just have to substitute the values, solve करो equation को further and find out the value of the unknown variable. Okay, so substituting x equal to k and y equal to 6 in the equation में ही substitute करेंगे. Okay, यहाँ पे LHS RHS नहीं होगा because it is given that it is lying on the line and you have to find out the value of the unknown variable. So equation is 2x minus y by 3 equals to 7. So 2k minus 6 by 3 is equal to 7. So 2k minus 3 2s are 6. So 2k minus 2 is equal to 7. So 2k is equal to 7 plus 2. So 2k is equal to 9. So k is equal to 9 by 2. That is 4.5. Okay. So k का value है 4.5. Write down the final statement. The value of k is 4.5 and box the value that you are getting, okay, on solving the equation. Coming to next question, question number 4. For what value of k will the point 3 comma minus k lie on the line 9x plus 4y equal to 3? There is some value of k. What is that value of k? We don't know. We have to find that. So एक particular value of k है for which this point, okay, 3 comma minus k will be lying on this line. The point will be lying on the line. Okay. So एक particular value of k है. What is that? We don't know. We have to find out. So you are given that the point is lying on the line. It means it is going to satisfy the equation. So x and y coordinates का value substitute करो, solve करो and find out the value of k. Just how we did in previous question. So you are given the equation 9x plus 4y equal to 3. X coordinate है 3 and y coordinate है minus k. And k का value we don't know, we have to find out. So solve and find out. Okay. So we'll write down few statements first. Point 3 comma minus k lies on the line 9x plus 4y equal to 3. So it satisfies the equation. So write down, therefore 3 comma minus k satisfies the equation. So you can directly substitute it in the equation. Okay. So substituting x equal to 3 and y equal to minus k in the equation. Okay. एक unknown है. So whenever you are given one unknown, you are going to solve and find out the value of that unknown. So directly equation में substitute करना है. No LHS, RHS. Equation is 9x plus 4y equal to 3, where x is 3 and y is minus k. 9 3s are 27 and plus into minus gives minus. 4 into k, 4k equal to 3. Let's shift 4k over here and 3 over here. So 27 minus 3 equals to 4k. Signs will change. 27 minus 3 is 24 is equal to 4k. That is k is equal to 24 by 4. 4 6 are 24 hoga. So 6 is equal to k. Just switch the sides. K is equal to 6. Box it. Write down the final statement. The value of k for which 3 comma minus k lies on the line is k equal to 6. So write the entire statement. For this value of k, the point will be lying on the line. And line ka equation bhi likh lo. After line, write down the equation 9x plus 4y equal to 3 and then write down is k equal to 6. Let's read the next question. Question number 5. The line 3x by 5 minus 2y by 3 plus 1 equal to 0 contains the point m comma 2m minus 1. Calculate value of m. There is a line and it contains a point having coordinates m comma 2m minus 1. Contains the point means point is lying on the line. Okay. Line में कहीं पे ये point है. So it means that it satisfies the equation. Okay. It satisfies the equation of the line. So you can substitute x and y coordinates in the equation. And x and y both are unknown over here. X है m and y है 2m minus 1. So we need to find out the value of m. Okay, we'll put the values of x and y coordinates, solve and find out the value of m. Okay, so let's start. We'll write down the statement first. The line 3x by 5 minus 2y by 3 plus 1 equal to 0 contains the point m comma 2m minus 1. So therefore it satisfies the equation. So write down, therefore m comma 2m minus 1 satisfies the equation. So you can substitute the values. Write down substituting x equal to m and y equal to 2m minus 1 in the equation. Directly equation में substitute करेंगे. ठीक है. So equation है 3x by 5 minus 2y by 3 plus 1 equal to 0. X is m and y is 2m minus 1. Okay. Put it in brackets because दो terms are separated by a sign, so you have to multiply the number outside or the sign outside with both the terms. Okay, signs and everything will change when you open the brackets. So put brackets. Okay, one term से ज़्यादा है या negative sign है या कुछ भी है, then put brackets. Okay. Over here denominators are different, so we'll take LCM. 5 and 3 का LCM होगा 15. So 5 into how much will give 15? 3s are. So multiply and divide by 3. यहाँ पे multiply and divide by 5. So 3 into 3m upon 3 into 5 minus 5 into 2m minus 1 upon 5 into 3. And 1 को यहाँ पे shift कर देते हैं. Okay. So 1 को shift कर दिया. Now 9m upon 15 minus 5 2s are 10 into 2m minus 1 upon 15 is equal to minus 1. You can take common denominator. So 9m minus 10 into 2m minus 1. I'll open the brackets in the next step. Upon 15 is equal to minus 1. Shift 15 over here. So 9m minus 10 2s are 20m. माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा. सो प्लस 10 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 15. माइनस 1 इंटू 15 हो जाएगा माइनस 15. 9m minus 20m will be minus 11m, and shifting 10 over here, so minus 15 minus 10, so minus 11m is equal to minus 25, and m is equal to minus 25 upon minus 11, that gives 25 upon 11. Numerator is greater than denominator, so you can express in mixed fraction form. लिख सकते हैं mixed fraction form में. So it will be divide 25 by 11. 11 2s are 22. Okay. So 11 2s are 22. How much is remaining? 3. Okay. 25 minus 22, 3. So 3 in numerator. So 3 by 11 is the answer. This is the value of m. Okay.